Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, I'm going to expand e power x divided by 1 plus e power x using maclaurin series up to and including the third degree terms. So my previous video, whichever I have uploaded, or you can go through the description, I have mentioned the link. I have already done the similar problem, okay? So I'm doing the same kind of a problem here. So if you want to refer that one, you can just click on the link given in the description. So here, what is y? It is given as e power x divided by 1 plus e power x. So before proceeding, I forgot to write the maclaurin series. So let us write the maclaurin series for this. Let me write it. Y of x is equals to y of 0 plus x y1 of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial y2. This is 1 factorial, right? By 1 factorial, so it is 1 only. So 2 factorial y2 of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial y3 of 0 plus so on. It has asked me up to the third degree term, so I'm just writing till third degree term for my reference. Now I have to find y of 0, so let me find it here only. Y of 0 is nothing but e power 0 divided by 1 plus e power 0, which is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. Alright, now y1 of 0 I have to find. Y1 of 0, so I first have to differentiate this. So to differentiate this, I can simply cross multiply, right, is equals to e power x in order to make the differentiation simple. So I can use like y, I can keep it as it is, I can differentiate this, so it becomes e power x, plus I can keep 1 plus e power x as it is, differentiate y, so it becomes y1 e power x is as it is. Now I will just find y1 of 0. So to find y1 of 0, I'll simply, y of 0 is what? 1 by 2 into e power 0 is 1 plus 1 plus e power 0, and y1 of 0 is yet to find, is equals to e power 0. So this is 1 by 2 into e power 0. The e power 0 is 1, right? So 1 by 2 into 2, e power 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2. y1 of 0 is equals to 1. I wrote here into, so sorry, I am getting confused. So 2y1 of 0 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 2y1 of 0 is equals to 1 by 2. Now this can be written as y1 of 0 is equals to 2 into 2 is a 4, 1 by 4. So it becomes 1 by 4. y1 of 0 is 1 by 4. Now we have to find y2 of 0. So we can differentiate this again. Okay, so it becomes y, I will keep it as it is, differentiate e power x. Now keep e power x as it is, differentiate y, plus 1 plus e power x as it is, differentiate y1, plus y1 as it is, differentiate e power x, is equals to differentiation of e power x is e power x only. So I will just add these two, okay, so that my simplification becomes easy. 2 e power x y1 plus 1 plus e power x y2 is equals to e power x. So now I have to find y2 of 0. So what is y of 0? Y of 0 is 1 by 2 into e power 0 plus 2 into e power 0. What is y1 of 0? It is 1 by 4 plus 1 plus e power 0. y2 of 0 is what we are finding, is equals to e power 0. This becomes 1 by 2 plus this also becomes 2 ones are, so this also becomes 1 by 2 plus this becomes 2, y2 of 0 is equals to 1. This is 1, so 2 y2 of 0 is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0, which is nothing but y2 of 0 if is equals to 0 by 2, y2 of 0 is equals to 0. Now we'll find y3 of 0, because we have to find it up to the third degree term, correct? So in order to find up to the third degree term, I can go like I can differentiate this still. I can differentiate this still again with respect to x. So keep y as it is, differentiate e power x. Keep e power x as it is, differentiate y. So it becomes y1 plus 2. I'll keep it outside. Keep e power x as it is, differentiate y1. Keep y1 as it is, differentiate e power x plus 1 plus e power x as it is, differentiating y2 plus keeping y2 as it is and differentiating 1 plus e power x is equals to e power x. Okay, now we will simply simplify this. Okay, so higher order, I'll just write first 1 plus e power x y3. Okay, plus now I'll go for y2. So e power x y2, e power x y2. So I have these two. So 2 plus 1, it is 3 e power x y2 plus y1. Y1, 2y1 and 1y1 e power x y1, it is going to be 3 e power x y1 plus y1 got over. Now I am left with e power x y is equals to e power x. Okay, now just I'll find y3 of 0. So 1 plus e power 0 y3 of 0 plus 3 e power 0 y2 of 0 plus 3 e power 0 y1 of 0 plus e power 0 y of 0 is equals to e power 0. So this becomes 2, 1 plus 1 2 y3 of 0 plus 3. What is y2 of 0? It is 0 plus 3 y1 of 0 is 1 by 4 plus y of 0 is 1 by 2 is equals to 1. Now 2y3 of 0 plus this becomes 0. This is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. 2y3 of 0 plus this becomes uh, 2. So 5 by 4 is equals to 1. I have just multiplied it and divided by 2 here. So to make the LCM same. Now 2y3 of 0 is equals to 1 minus 5 by 4, which is equals to 2y3 of 0 is equals to, this becomes minus 1 by 4. So y3 of 0 is equals to minus 1 by 8. Now up to third degree we have found it. So we will substitute in the Maclaurin's expansion. So what is y of x? Y of x is e power x divided by 1 plus e power x is equals to y of 0. Y of 0 is 1 by 2 plus x into y1 of 0. Y1 of 0 is 4. So 1 by 4. So it is going to be x by 4 plus x square by 2 factorial is 2, okay, into y2 of 0. Y2 of 0 is 0, so this term is going to become 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial is 6 into y3 of 0. Y3 of 0 is minus 1 by 8. Okay, so the answer is going to be the final expansion 1 plus e power x is equals to 1 by 2 plus x by 4, this is 0 and this is minus x cube by 48. Hence this is the required Maclaurin's expansion of e power x divided by 1 plus e power x. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends so that they can also get benefited. Give a thumbs up Ask if you have any questions in the comment section, and if you have like any more queries, you can reach out to me on my mail, okay, that is given in my channel description as well.